Well, those of you that follow my channel, you know that I grow cut flowers, and my goal every year is to have fresh flowers in my house from my garden from the end of March through the end of October, and I can do that usually. However, in the middle of winter, I cannot. So yeah, like many of you, I check out Trader Joe's on a regular basis. I probably come here every couple of weeks and pick out some great flowers from their flower department, and very affordable. Well, I made my way outside and inside to my car because inside Trader Joe's it was super busy and loud, but I want to show you what I selected and give you a few tips. First of all, things like alstroemeria will last forever and ever and ever in the vase. I mean, at least a couple of weeks going strong, and you want to try when you can to get things that aren't open. So if you look at these buds real close, let's see if I can get it up here for you to see. You see how they haven't opened up yet. So alstroemeria, you want to look for those because they're super long lasting in a vase. The other thing that kind of people poo-poo about are mums, all different kinds of mums, but I'm telling you what, they're gorgeous. They come in so many colors and they have a very long vase life, as does the other style of mum. So you can see the purple theme here. And last but not least, you always want to get filler, and I end up usually buying a couple of bundles of filler. You always need more filler than you think you're going to. And so yeah, this is sea lavender. Isn't that gorgeous? So all together, look at the color palette. See those beautiful purples? So for $25, $4.99 a bundle, I'm gonna take these home and I'm gonna end up having probably two or three different floral arrangements and some little mini ones that I like to make for my mom so that she can put them on her windowsill. So anyhow, if you haven't found Trader Joe's flowers as a good value, you need to check that out in your own neighborhoods. This is what I came up with my Trader Joe's finds today. All these lovely pale purple, deep purple, all these flowers work beautifully together to create this really simple, fun, casual arrangements for the house. And of course, as you know, I created a few little posies right down here in these little mini vases that will look just lovely on my mom's windowsill. So I hope you enjoyed a little inspiration. If you've got a Trader Joe's nearby, it's time for a visit, and I wish everybody out there happy gardening.